Hey guys, thank you for watching. For this video, I'm going to try the microwavable pork rinds. It says less than 1 gram total carb. It's the brand is Low Raise Bacon Curls Microwave Pork Rinds. Chicharron. This one's hot and spicy, and I have the original one. So just to show you guys the difference in space, this one is a 3-ounce bag, and this one together is about 3.5. And so look at that. Just on the space that you save. You got 2 bags, different flavors compared to 1 bag. Let's see the instructions. It says shake bag, unfold bag, and shake 5 to 6 times to spread pork rinds throughout the bag. And then watch, stop microwave when bag stops expanding. Do not leave unattended. Product does not pop, and the bag may not fully expand like popcorn. Alright, so far it looks just like popcorn. It's kind of flat. Shake it. Yeah, you shake it.
Shake it.
Yeah, shake it, make it even.
Weird.
I know, right? Okay, put it in.
2 minutes.
Center, and then put 2 minutes. Alright.
Boom.
Let's see what happens. That was like a minute away from face. Away from face. That's like that's on your face.
It's hot. It smells good.
Yeah, it does smell good. Yeah.
Whoa, it's so weird.
Is it expanded?
Yeah.
Try. Oh, look at that. They look just like regular. Wow. Okay.
What?
That looks good.
Science right there.
All right, we're gonna do the other one just for comparison's sake. Away from the face. It's funny until somebody gets hurt. They look good, huh?
Yeah, they look like a
regular size, the regular flavor. Okay. Somebody's ready. Hannah, you gonna join us for the taste test? Alright, so we got the microwavable pork rinds ready. This is a spicy, hot and spicy, and this is just regular. Let's start with the regular, because I think I'm excited about these ones. Okay, you ready to grab one?
Yeah.
Grab one? Yeah. They look just like the ones you buy, like they just come in the bag, right?
Let's do it.
Whoa. Warm. Mind blown. Wow. That's really good. A little high on the salt, but not too bad. Especially I love putting lemon and hot sauce on it. That's really good. It's weird, like it's warm, so if, like it almost tastes better because it's warm. Yeah.
I like it.
That's really good. Crunchy. That was fast too. So this one we left it in for 1 minute, right? And then it's really good.
We're like, we can't stop. No.
Forget you guys. Okay, that was good. Little salty for me. Yeah, just a little bit. This one I'm excited about. Ready? Everybody grab one? I'll wait for you guys.
Let's do it.
Cleanse your palate first from the last one. That way there's no contamination.
Oh, that's great.
Ready?
Yeah. Ready.
There you go.
Not too salty.
Not too salty. It's good. You can taste the spicy, but it's not crazy spicy.
Nope.
Oops.
It's almost like it's like a subtle spiciness.
Wow.
And then like you just barely feel it, yeah?
Yeah.
That's good. It's so warm.
It's weird because
So crunchy. How would you ever imagine they have microwave pork rinds?
no,
That's good.
pretty good.
That's good. Original and hot and spicy. I got these from Foodland, but I've only seen them in that Foodland. Actually, Megu found them, and I definitely want to go buy more. I'll save these. I have to hide them because I see them already eyeing them out. But these are perfect for like movie night,
Yeah.
Yeah.
right? Which one's your favorite?
This one.
The spicy one?
Yeah.
I like the spicy one because it's spicy. Because I always put on the regular pork rinds, I always add lemon and hot sauce.
Oh yeah.
So I only have to add lemon to these. Oh, which ones are better, these or the ones that the mission bags? Remember I told you those are the best ones. Mission bag.
Yeah.
A mission bag.
Yeah.
So Mission has the best spicy one so far, but this is really close though. Thank you for watching. Make sure you go and buy these if you can find them. And then if I can find them on Amazon, I'll put the link below. There you go, represent. Hot and spicy are the best ones. Bye, subscribe. Thank you. That's fine. See? Let me know when I get both of you guys in the shot.
So dark.
I know, I'm gonna close the window. Right there? That's good.